Okay.
Well, the female's getting ready to feed the male because his job is to watch the nest. So this is what we'll do. We get them both at me. It's funny.
Let's get a close up here.
You don't get to put your glass on.
Ah! Yeah.